So with the lower leg, we'll start first of all with effleurage. This is always our opening and finishing movement. And then we continue with the double-handed picking up. Then move on to alternate palmar kneading, the calf area. So working mainly on the gastrocnemius and the soleus muscle around this area. You can move on to double-handed palmar kneading, or what is known as reinforced palmar kneading in most areas of the body, but particularly it works well on the calf area, so you can really get into any tight area, any knots or any tension. Then we can continue with ringing on the calf area. You can also do ringing on the upper leg, the hamstring area, if you wish. Particularly if you feel that that area is tight, then you will want to also include ringing. And then on the lower leg, we're just going to glide our thumb. You can have one thumb on top of the other, so it's a reinforced thumb movement through the centre of the gastrocnemius, so the centre of the calf. Don't put too much pressure, this area can be sensitive. And then we'll finish the leg sequence with effleurage, decreasing the pressure with each stroke. So first of all, we want to reveal the abdomen by moving the towel upwards. Whether your client is male or female, we still want to do this to respect their privacy and their modesty. We'll start this sequence with 3 effleurage, covering the whole of the abdominal area. And then using your palm to work with palmar kneading around the abdomen. We'll start on the right hand side, working upwards, across and downwards. So we're then working on the ascending colon, the transverse colon and the descending colon. We'd reduce our pressure or even just glide our fingers over underneath the belly button. The bladder is around this area, so we don't want to cause any sensitivity around here. And then continue with ringing. Really cover the whole of the abdomen. And then we work again around the colon area with digital kneading. You can work reinforced in both the palmar kneading and the digital kneading.